Learners at Igugu Primary School in Mafolo South are set to benefit from improved access to technology and digital learning following the launch of the iSchool Africa Coding and Robotics Center. The center, sponsored by iStore, aims to introduce learners to coding, robotics and other digital skills at an early age as part of efforts to strengthen STEM education and to prepare pupils for future careers in innovation. The initiative forms part of broader efforts to bridge the digital divide and equip young South Africans with skills that are needed in an increasingly tech-driven world.
Sekunyuswa izinga lezokufunda esikoleni samabanga phansi iGugu endaweni yaseMufulo njengoba inkampani yezobuchwepheshe iiStore kokubambisana nenhlangano iSchool Africa kanye nomnyango wezemfundo ephakeme bethule igumbi lezokufunda iCoding and Robotics ngoLwesibili. Umphathi omkhulu we-iStore uthi ke abagcini ngokunikela kodwa baqeqesha nothisha.
What we're not doing here today is delivering technology and leaving the school to figure it out on their own. What we are doing is that we employ ex-teachers, and their job is to pass on the knowledge to the teachers here so that the program can carry on going and it doesn't fall apart when they leave. So it's really about passing on those skills. So the teachers are a critical element in making sure that this is a success.
Kusenjalo usekela ngqongqoshe uthi lezi zinsiza zizoqinisekisa ukuthi abafundi basemalokishini basezingeni elilodwa nabasemadolobheni.
Sikhuluma ngokuthi abantwana bethu sifuna ukuthi bacompete nabanye abantwana bakwamanye amazwe, but also nabanye abantwana kwezinye indawo. Asikwazi ukuthi abantwana bethu ngoba bezalelwe Soweto, ngoba bezalelwe eDiepkloof eMidlands, ngoba bezalelwe eKhayelitsha, fanele bona babe disadvantage kunabantwana basebomhlanga, abantwana bakaSentini. This is kuthina, it's an equalizer. Kuthina, it's saying akekho omunye government ongakwazi ukuthi empowerishe abantwana bakhe ngaphandle kwethu.
Onguthisha uqeqeshelo lezi zifundo uthi ke kuyiphupho angakholwa ukuba liyenzeka.
If you told me a couple of years ago Guti will be here today, I would have said, nah, the education is not capable of that. But here we are, nevertheless. And I am so proud that I'm part of that, because now with the kids, you find kids like me who are able to learn through hearing more than when they read. So in order for us to integrate in a system where they get to read something from something they can press and feel like it's something different. So for the fourth industrial revolution to just be here and the kids that get to be part of it, I'm really glad to see lapho sonke as isikolo nomndeni esubona la esikoleni.
Labafundi bazokwazi ukuqala basebancane ukufunda kabanzi ngezifundo zezobuchwepheshe nobunjiniyela okuzobalekelela uma sebeya kwangqondonkulu. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, ngikunokulunga Mthembu ngiseMufulo.